me not. He loves me, he loves me not. He loves me, he loves me not. He loves me, he loves me not.
Hi, David. Oh, it's kind of bright. It's bright. There.
Do they know? Does the YouTube live audience know their address? Can we dox them? I'm just kidding.
No. And plus, I only have like 31 subscribers.
Oh, that's 30
It's
more
okay.
than me.
That's because you
I'm
don't
that one
vlog
subscriber.
anything.
Oh.
It's your chance. Go.
Please subscribe to my channel. Guess what the name is? David Reggio. In the flesh.
Obviously. Like 7.
Where's the closest?
We're going to the one here, right? Oh, there's someone walking. My bad. Hi guys.
We're back home.
We're going Hollywood Beach.
Yes. We're going to Hollywood? Nice. Bootleg Hollywood. Like.
Someone's wallet.
That's his.
It's really called Hollywood Beach?
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess we're going to Hollywood Beach. Okay, we are here at the beach. Let's do it again.
Well, then
Okay,
just block your
we
face.
are here at the beach. We're gonna have to do it again. Okay, we are here at the beach. Say hi, David.
Hi, David.
Hi, Migs.
See that lifeguard
That
tower?
life. Do you see a human life?
See that lifeguard tower and see how the
Where?
ladder? They have to jump that in order to.
To save the person.
No, they have to jump that in order to go upstairs.
Oh shoot.
Psych. You didn't bring sandals, bro?
We're going to the beach, and this guy didn't bring any sandals.
I'm just not used
What
to
about
the
your socks?
sand. Who needs socks? Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have been overthinking all the things I'd wanna say. If I saw you at the coffee shop we went to every day, thinking about thinking, but the words just never came. So I'm never going back, you wouldn't be there anyways. Listen to some music after thinking way too long, and I swear I never choose it, but I always hear your songs. Listen and I listen, I can't help but sing along, 'cause I miss singing with you even if I know it's wrong. Run away from the things I'm feeling, I won't say it 'cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. I hate it but I don't hate it, no I don't want to be weird about it. All I want is to be clear with how it is. off without me. Even if I miss you, I'll make sure you're not around me. 'Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since. I'm anxious as shit, I get quiet, 'cause you're flawless and I'm awkward, but I got a lot to give. Hung up on my stuff. Yeah, I'm usually a skeptic, but I'm learning how to love. La 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 la, I'm hoping that you'll stay a little longer in my arms. La 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 la, I'm floating where someone's frozen when I'm where you are. I'm nervous as shit, and you notice I got a lot up in my closet, so I'm scared to open it. See, I've been beaten up and broken, but somehow you understand. You're giving me a place to land. I never thought that I would be tangled up inside the sheets. Wasn't really part of the plan. Yeah. La 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 la, I'm hoping that you'll stay a little longer in my arms. La 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 la, I'm floating, but someone's frozen